Hey guys, we are back to part 2 of decluttering my makeup. We're halfway through highlighters, so let's finish them. This is the Too Faced You're So Jelly highlighter in Gilded Champagne, and I loved this so much. I don't know if it would still be... well, it still looks to be okay, I think. How stunning is that? It smells so good as well. It smells like watermelon. I'm going to keep it because I want to see what it actually performs like on the face, but it is very old. So I probably should honestly be getting rid of it. But anyway, okay. This is the Fenty Carrot Fairy Bomb in 24 Cray. And these smell so good, I think. Yes. Oh, guys, I'm pretty sure the reason I've kept this is because it smells so good. Because I don't think it matches me. I don't think it doesn't match me, guys, but I really want to keep it. I know I shouldn't, but I'm also like, I might keep it as like a, you know, put it on my shoulders or something like that. Like, I know I don't do that, but anyway. This is the Anastasia Soy Hollywood Loose Highlight. I don't think, yeah, this one is not going to match me in the slightest. Honestly, it might. The reason I've kept these is because I feel like they're nice for like inner corner highlight and stuff. So I'm going to keep it again for now. Not that I need it, but this is the Glamlight Frosted Flakes highlighter. How cute is that? It's a little cereal bowl. Is that like not one of the coolest things you've ever seen? Anyway, and oh, that shade. That's actually stunning. That's so pretty. So blinding. Love that. I find it so hard to get rid of highlighter, honestly. Like, it's just like one of my favourite products ever. I've got this Morphe 2 Gleam Catcher in Moonbeam, which it's really pretty, but I'm going to get rid of it. Like, it is stunning, like, I can't lie, it's a very nice highlight, but this is the Made by Mitchell. It says it's a liquid blush. It's in Candy Trip. I swear I've used this like recently though. It says it's a liquid blush, but it's like a highlight. I don't know. Either way, I'm going to keep it for now because I feel like it'll be fun and we'll try it out again. This is from Wet n Wild. This is in Precious Petals. That's real pretty. I'm going to keep that for now. We have Glamlight. This is the Sugar High highlighter. My floor is going to be so messy after this. That's absolutely stunning. So pretty. This is the Ofra Feeling Myself highlighter palette. It has Blissful, Pillow Talk and Rodeo Drive. I forgot how nice Ofra highlights are. So pretty and so blinding. That one will never work for me. I think that's the first one, which is Blissful. But these two are like, I'm going to use them again and then decide. I've got another one from Ofra. This is Glazed Donut. Super blinding. Some of these will probably get decluttered when I do like the actual video and decide if I want them or not. Okay, we have the Anastasia Sugar Glow Kit. Do you guys remember when the glow kits were like, you know, if you didn't have them, you weren't that bitch. But anyway, they are nice. I feel like, you know, I don't like looking at them though. It's like, come on, they was very overhyped. Like, there's definitely some nice shades in there. I'm excited to try them on the skin. But anyway, this is the XX Revolution highlighter in Echo. That looks really pretty. Like, see, I feel like the XX Revolution one looks nicer than the Anastasia ones. Like, anyway. Joy in Citrine. From memory, I loved this a lot. Oh, stunning. This kind of highlight is my absolute favourite. Like a kind of gold, like light golden kind of highlight. My fave. This is from Mecca Max. This is the Enchanted highlight, and I feel like I also really liked this as well. Yeah, it's so pretty. Got two of these pearl lights from Revolution. The first one is in True Gold. Oh, That is really pretty. I need to like try and put it back in there. So that was a true gold. And then the next one is peach champagne, which is also really pretty. Okay, we've only got a couple left. Okay, this is the Be Perfect Get Wet highlight in Juyu. I honestly want to keep it for now to see what it actually looks like on the skin. So, okay, let's get on to the last ones. We have Kylie Cotton Candy Cream. This is so old. This is from when like I very first started my channel. It's nice. I'm honestly gonna get rid of that though, because this old, really old. Is that? Yeah, I think it's really old. Yeah, because they look different now. These are so nostalgic to me though. Honestly. We have the Dandelion Twinkle Mini. I feel like this is more of like a kind of, is it a setting powder? It's like both. It can be used as a highlighter or like a sheeny setting powder. It is really pretty. It's really subtle and soft. This is from Luna Beauty. This is in Mercury. It's super yellow. It's cool, but I'm going to get rid of it because it's real yellow. It is stunning though, but oh no, I'm going to keep it. Oh my god, I'm such a sucker. This is Hustler Bait. Okay, that's gonna go in the bin, which is such a shame because I actually really liked that. Like, it's real pretty. I'm gonna have to buy that again. Girl, what the hell? Does that count as an empty? Okay, anyway, that's fine. This is MAC Soft and Gentle, the mineralized skin finish. I feel like this is another kind of product that, you know, you can use all over the face. That, real nice. We have Tickle from Benefit. I love Benefit highlighters. They are absolutely stunning. Tickle is no exception. Cookie is one of my all-time fave. I don't actually have Cookie like as a single anymore because I've got it in face palettes, but so good. Alright, and we've got two left. We have Hourglass in Brilliant Strobe Light. This is like such like a pretty highlight, but like you need to have it on the skin and it's just so stunning. Like I feel like a swatch just does not do it justice. And then Morphe in Spark, which is pretty but we'll be getting rid of. Great. Okay. Yay. Highlighters are done. So I'm just gonna quickly put them all back in. Okay, so let's see what we got rid of out of the highlights. We did alright. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So not too bad. I'm gonna throw this Kylie one out because it's old as the hills, and I'm also obviously going to throw out the Fenty Beauty one, but the rest I can pass along. Now we're going to do this. This is like eye products, so what I'm going to do, there's a lot of liquid products in here and a lot of liners and things. Let's actually leave this one for now. Let's go into a different category and come back to it. Foundations. I feel like, honestly, so this is like foundation, concealers and primers. I think I'm honestly going to keep all of these because I want to retry all of them and see what I think. And that's like the point of like this, like the video. So all of these can stay for now. And I'm going to like go through them in the actual video and do that then. As for these are like face palettes. The Cheerleaders, keep. Natasha Denona Love Palette, keep. Laura Mercier, this was the opening night cheek palette. I'm mostly going to pass that along, like, they sent these to me and it's so pretty, but I'm just not going to reach for it, I don't think. Jaclyn Cosmetics, I'm going to pass along. This is the Natasha Denona Blush and Glow. I'll keep it for now, I think. I've got the Translucent Glow Setting Powder from Laura Mercier, which I'm going to keep. This is the XX Revolution blush. I'll keep it for now, I guess. I'll also keep these two, the Laura Mercier one and the Colourpop one. This is the Fenty Beauty bronzer in Shady Beads. This is one of my all-time faves. I need to hurry up and get that back into the drawers. Colourpop and Powerpuff Girls, so cute. This is the XX Revolution Luster Setting Powder, which I'll keep for now. I actually enjoyed this face palette from Kylie Cosmetics, so I'm going to keep it. This is the Too Faced Berries and Bubbly Highlighting and Blush Duo. Keep it for now. Huda Beauty Tantor. I'll also keep for now. Fenty Beauty Cream Blush. I'm going to get rid of that, honestly. That's in Coolberry. Tarte Pro Glow to Go. I love that so much. This is so old. It needs to go in the bin, but I'm going to keep it. And the Natasha Denona Bronze and Glow I'll keep for now. Okay. So that was simple. And simple. Okay, so I just got rid of the Jaclyn Cosmetics, the Laura Mercier, and the Fenty Cream Blush that time. For these, I think pigment I'm going to keep. Yeah, I think pigments I'm going to keep. Pigments don't dry out as much. What I'm going to do is like go through these real quick and like swatch everything, I think. Like everything that's like cream or whatever. And then I'll tell you at the end what I'm keeping and what I'm going to get rid of. I'm going to like speed it up. Okay, so I only got rid of a couple of things out of here actually. All of these I think are going to go into the bin because these ones are all super dried up, and then these are, I actually didn't even end up swatching them, I just got rid of them. So they might still be okay. Let's have a look. I'm going to put them in the bin too because I feel like they're just, yeah. Anyway, okay, let's put everything else back. Okay, and that brings us to the end. So that's everything that we decluttered. There's like a whole box here of like all the stuff we got rid of. So I'm feeling pretty happy. Next, this will be the end of part 2, and then next we're gonna go into part 3, which is where we get into the actual like the stuff that's in my drawers. And then we still need to film quite a few lip swatch videos. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!